Hello you guys, this is Miss Gail over here at Georgia Peachnut. I'm here in the dark and the rain. I need to harvest some potatoes because it's getting ready to rain. I want to get them before they get wet. So this is the bag. I don't know if there's any in there because I've been harvesting as I go and eating them. I need to get any that's left in here out, because they've been in here for a while. So I hopefully you guys can see me. So there's the bag. Let's see here. Oh, looks like something was trying to form there. Put that there. Let's see here. Go through here while I can see. This is wet. Got little tiny baby potatoes. Little bitty baby potatoes, but they'll eat. Let me see if there's anything else in here. I may have gotten them all out. Yeah. Okay. I think is that it? There's 2 potatoes there. Okay. Yep. Don't see anything big coming out at me. So I'll just take this and reuse this soil. It's great soil. There's one right there. Some little tiny baby ones there trying to grow. Let's see. Anything else? Anybody else? No more takers. Little potato to put into some beans. I'll do that. Okay. All a bunch of small ones. So, you win some, you lose some, you live to fight another day. I shall take the ones that I have gotten. But, like I said, I'll share the good, the bad, and the ugly, and some more right here. They all seem to be kind of small. And that means that I didn't fertilize them good enough. So I don't blame the potatoes, I blame me. And I know I didn't. Okay. It's a nice size one right here. Some more right here. Okay. Okay, here's another one. So, you know, it's something. I'm not complaining. More than what I had. Just going through it again. Just a couple more. Not trying to leave anything out here for the critters. No, no, no. Here's another one. See, you don't ever give up, see? It's in there. Another one. I always go back through your soil at least a couple of times. Okay. I think that's it. And it's super dark. So anyway, I hear nighttime digging for potatoes. That's what we got. And thank you guys for coming along with me and keeping me safe out here in the dark. It started raining, but it stopped. So it's in this little basket. I harvested at least 3 times out this bag, taking 2 and 3 potatoes in the house and cooking them. So I didn't expect much. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna take you. Let you look at this again. It's something. Let's see that. There you go. Some potatoes. Now I have a bag I can go in here and put my greens in. Y'all take care. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the garden tomorrow. Bye-bye.